Good morning guys, welcome back for another video of Service Reset My Car. Today I'm going to show you how you can reset a service indicator of an Honda Jazz 2012 model. After changing the oil and the filters or servicing the car, you can reset the service indicator on the dashboard. And I'm going to show you how you can do it for yourself. Before we start, I want to mention our YouTube channel is Service Reset My Car. I'd appreciate it if you subscribe to our channel. Give us support by liking our videos. If you don't like my videos, let me know why you don't like my videos. Any comments, any questions, use the comment area and I get back to you as soon as possible. Okay, let's start with this one. When we turn the ignition on, as you can see, there is an indicator that says that the service is overdue by 3,500 kilometers. And I'm going to show you can get rid of that. First of all, use these buttons over here, the arrow button, and find the service indicator in white, not the yellow one, this one, in white. Once you have found this one, there is a secret button over here on the right side of the steering wheel. This button, yes, let me zoom in, the select and reset button. The key is to press that and keep pressing that till by 10 seconds. Press that for about 10 seconds, and as you can see, we have a new menu over here. Go to the top one by selecting this one. So select the top one on the menu, the reset, and hit the reset button once. Keep pressing that till this appears on the dashboard. So once again, so the indicator must have gone now. Let's check it. Yes, once again. I'm going to show it again for you. Select the service indicator by pressing these buttons. Yes, this one. Press the reset button. Keep pressing that for about 10 seconds till the menu changes. Once this changes, scroll up to the reset and press this button again for about 10 seconds till the indicator disappears. This was a bit tricky. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this video helped you, and I hope to see you next time with another video. Take care, stay safe, bye bye.